Hi everyone, it's Britta from Paracord Planet, and today's tutorial is on the Twisted Cobra. Stay tuned to find out how we did this. For this tutorial, you're going to need the following materials. You'll need 10 foot of a secondary color of your bracelet. Then you will need 2 5-foot sections of the inner colors on your Twisted Cobra bracelet. For this tutorial, I chose neon green and neon pink. I recommend 2 bright colors for this tutorial because they'll show up nicely in the pattern. Next, you'll need some sort of a buckle. I chose a 5/8 buckle here, but any size or color will do. And of course, for every paracord tutorial, you're going to need your lighter as well as your scissors. For this tutorial, you're going to need to melt the 2 5-foot sections together, and then once those are melted together, you're going to melt them to your 10-foot section. So this is why we gut the cord, is so it lays flatter in the pattern as well as it melts easier together. So I'm going to take these 2 ends, and since they're nice and flat, they're going to be very easy to melt together. You're going to want to put them one on top of the other, just like so, so when you melt them, you can press them down flat here. Now I did that ahead of time just to save you guys some time on this tutorial. Once you're done, you're going to loop the cord all through the buckle just like you would to start any other Cobra bracelet. Now this bracelet is pretty much the Cobra, there's just a slight difference that goes along with it. So to start, you're going to take your 2 flat ends of cord and you're going to begin a Cobra weave. So you're going to pull the ends, and you're going to want to make sure that your secondary color or your longer color in this tutorial is the cord that always loops behind your middle section. So that's how we get this twisted effect. And you'll pull to make your very first knot. Next, you're going to take these flat ends of cord and you're going to again bring them over the top. Now you're going to want to make sure that these cords, 2 cords, lie flat against each other while you are weaving, so that it creates that nice twisting effect. So as you can see, I have them laying flat like this, and again you're just going to use that silver cord and go behind your middle section. And pull tight. So as you can see, the cord is kind of beginning its twist. So I'll do a couple more stitches here for you guys just to show you exactly how it looks. So you're going to take this piece of cord, these 2 flat cords again, and bring them over the middle and weave that gray cord behind. And pull tight, just like you would. So as you can see, on either end of the bracelet, it's going to alternate which color is on the outside. So you can see the neon pink is going to be on this side of the bracelet, and the neon green is going to be on this side of the bracelet. So you'll want to make sure that those consistently alternate back and forth. So as you can see, the bracelet is now completed, and this is why we wanted to gut those 2 colored sections of cord so they lay nice and flat against each other in the weave of the bracelet. And again, as you can see, each side is alternating in color. So it looks pretty cool. And if you wanted to wear it the opposite way, then you have each of these colored sections running along the top with the gray being in the middle. So now you're just going to cut the ends of this bracelet off and melt them just like you would any other paracord bracelet. Got our scissors. Melt that first secondary end of cord down. And next we'll melt these 2 guys down. There's really no special way to melt them. Since these 2 little end pieces are flat, they're going to melt together very nicely. So we'll just finish it off. These 2 guys are melting together, and you're just going to use your scissors to push together. And that concludes today's tutorial. Please make sure to comment on this video if you've tried this, and also make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and as always, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching!